is enjoyment time for Neil and Naira as they are exploring their village along with their parents. They are excited to experience new things in the village.
Dad, look, there are so many animals here. I love animals and I'm so happy to see them in our village.
Yes, Naira, the animals roam freely here and they don't harm too. Also, look at the mud houses and the bullock cart.
Mom, I am very thirsty. Please give me some water.
Oh, sure. Wait, let me take out the water bottle from my bag. Uh-oh, the water is over.
Now, where will we get water from?
Don't worry, Neil. I can see a hand pump over there. We can fill water from that hand pump.
Hand pump? What is that?
Naira, hand pump is a source of water. Come, I'll show you.
What do you mean by source of water, Dad?
Sources of water are water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, hand pumps, and wells that provide water to all living beings for different uses.
Oh, I remember seeing a lake, Dad. Neil and I were cycling near a lake when we went on a road trip. The lake was so big. Yes, Naira, I remember it too.
Children, but do you know what is the main source of getting water?
Yes, I know. It is the rainwater. We get fresh water from the rains. Grandma had told us about it.
Wow, Neil, that is correct.
All the rainwater gets collected in these huge water bodies, and then the water from these water bodies is supplied to all the places through big pipes.
Oh!
This is how we get water supplied to all the houses, schools, parks, and other places in the city.
Mom, Dad, can we please go near the hand pump to drink water? I'm very thirsty.
Yes,
let
let us go. See, Naira, when we push the handle down with force, we get groundwater.
I also want to press the handle.
Okay, come here.
Oh, ouch! Naira had a great fall. Naira had a great fall.
Neil, it is rude to laugh when someone falls.